Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Plymouth GTX. Nice looking two-door hardtop. Now this particular car powered by a 440 underneath the hood, of course. Not representing it as numbers, but would have the correct size engine underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. There is a broadcast sheet on this car that you can see with the still pictures, and we'll get to that in a little bit too. Let you take a look at this front end. So you can see the chrome and the bumper condition of that. Nice reflection coming off there. Looks like it may have been re-chromed along the line. This particular car is in soft yellow, and that is the correct color for this car, the way it would have came from Plymouth back in 1967. Black vinyl top would also be correct. Now, this was a factory AC car. The components have been unhooked, but I'll get around to the rear of the car here and they will go in the trunk with the car. It looks like the majority of the components are there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see what I'm talking about as far as what goes with in the trunk, there's pictures of it. You can check out that broadcast sheet. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too at 507-386-1726. This car also has power steering, power brakes. As you can see up and down the passenger side. Very straight car. Nice looking wheels. It's a later model Plymouth Rally style wheel, but very nice looking wheel. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, center console with a shifter, and that is all correct also as far as the way this car would have came back in 1967. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's some of the components as far as the AC. Looks like the plumbing is an extra radiator that will go with it. Some of the brackets, compressor, condenser. So that will be included also. And again, you can see that in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's also a folder of receipts that will go with this car from the previous owner, with some of the restoration work and some of the things that were done on it, and service work, things like that. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see how straight it is, pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. I do want to show you one thing up on the hood. I noticed where the paint does show its age a little bit in a few spots. Not that it looks bad, it's just kind of where it's checked a little bit. Vinyl top, as you can see, is in nice condition also. Right up here is where I wanted to show you. You kind of get a little checking right there if you can see it showing up. Not all over the car, just a few places where the paint shows its age a little bit. And again, when you call in, consult with a sales associate. You can sure ask them about it, their opinion. We do have an open door policy for inspectors. If you wanted somebody to come look at this car, we have ran it through our service department. Did check out very well. All right, take a look at the interior. Black vinyl seats, not ripped, torn, not showing much for age. Seat belts intact. Also on this one, headliner looking good. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear that 440. Nice running, nice sounding car. See, it starts easily. Gas gauge looking good there. Alternator gauge working. There's also a performance indicator down here if you want to check that out. And a couple aftermarket gauges for water temp and oil pressure. You can see a Pioneer AM/FM cassette player. Wipers do work in this one. Horn, as you could hear. Dash is in good shape. It's a nice interior in this car also. Shows well. Alright, let's slip around to the rear. A little rumble coming out of that 440. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay here quick too before we end the video.
you like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
All right, here's that 440 Super Commando. Power steering, power brakes, and like I said earlier, originally was an AC car, but majority of the AC components have been removed, and you've seen those earlier in the video. You can also check them out in the pictures. Aluminum radiator has been added. Original radiator will go with the car. So, gives you an idea as far as the engine bay. Smooth running car, nice sounding. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, 1967 Plymouth GTX, nice little two-door hardtop. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.